Everyone, thanks for joining this Zoom presentation on our bamboo exfoliator. This is a standout product in the world of natural skincare. My name is Dr. JJ Levine, and I'll be guiding you through a focused dive into what makes this exfoliator exceptional. I'm going to cover its key features, the science-backed benefits of its organic ingredients, and why it stands out against toxic alternatives. And here's my promise to you, by the end of this Zoom, you'll understand how imperative it is to create a toxic-free and thereby healthy home. First, let's set the stage with the product itself. The bamboo exfoliator is, of course, toxic-free, gentle, nutrient-dense, liquid loofah-style exfoliator designed both for your face and body. It's made with toxic-free, organic, and non-GMO ingredients, all from plants and minerals. And we have a philosophy here at Essanté Organics called Ditch and Switch. And this is where we educate people on common ingredients found in most everyday personal care products, which are linked to horrific diseases. You have to know this. Your skin is your largest organ, and what you put on your skin, most of it's in your bloodstream in a matter of seconds. And then those ingredients make their way to your vital organs. And when the ingredients are toxic, and with daily chronic exposure, dysfunction and disease can be the outcome. Every day, you've got the opportunity to contribute to your wellness in life, or with poor, uneducated choices, add to your sickness and early demise. Once a person is educated, they simply ditch their toxic brands and switch them for toxic-free products made from certified USDA organic ingredients. We also call this transfer buying because you're taking the money you're already spending on the toxic products and using it now for Essanté Organics toxic-free products, which are guaranteed to work as well or better than what you're currently using. And with all of our products here at Essanté Organics, we never, ever test on animals. Directions for the bamboo exfoliator are simple. Apply it to wet skin to exfoliate pores and smooth rough cracked areas, then rinse with warm water. This product is gentle enough for your face, but also strong enough for your problem areas, perhaps your elbows or feet. And this product helps clear skin issues, deep clean, reduce pore size and wrinkles, deliver exceptional exfoliation for a radiant glow, and promote smooth skin by removing dead cells and encouraging renewal. And the key exfoliating agents include bamboo stem extract, walnut shell powder, and pumice, while the nourishing oils are organic sweet orange, blood orange, bergamot, vanilla fruit, and coconut. And it also incorporates yerba mate leaf extract and other plant-based elements like guar gum. One of the many things that sets this product apart from others on the market is it uses bamboo in place of toxic plastic beads, common in other exfoliators. This was a deliberate choice by us for you, our consumers, for your health as well as for environmental reasons. So let's explore the recent research from the past 5 years on these toxic-free and organic ingredients, focusing on their benefits for skin and how they can positively impact your health as they're absorbed through the skin into your bloodstream. So let's start with the core exfoliators: the bamboo stem extract, the walnut shell powder, and the pumice. These natural exfoliants provide mechanical exfoliation without the harshness and toxicity of synthetics. Bamboo stem extract is a powerhouse. A 2022 study isolated compounds from bamboo peel that demonstrated strong melanin synthesis inhibition, which can help with hyperpigmentation and even skin tone. For skin, it gently removes dead skin cells, reducing wrinkles and pore size. Regarding absorption, bamboo extracts contain antioxidants that penetrate the skin barrier. Recent insights from just last year, 2024, emphasize that skin absorbs plant-based compounds, potentially delivering anti-inflammatory benefits systemically. And once in the bloodstream, these support your overall wellness and health by combating oxidative stress, which is linked to aging and chronic conditions. While direct human studies on bamboo absorption are emerging, its nutrient profile suggests benefits like improved collagen production, which is going to aid your joints and bone health indirectly. Next, let's talk about walnut shell powder. It's rich in polyphenols, which a 2023 review notes that it's absorbed transdermally through your skin, offering antioxidant effects. For skin, it's going to remove dead cells, reducing signs of aging. And then systemically, all over your body, It's going to be absorbed with its polyphenols. It's going to reduce inflammation, which has been shown to lower risks for cardiovascular issues, as seen in plant-derived antioxidant studies. Now, pumice, as you're probably aware, is a volcanic mineral. It provides deep cleansing, and recent data from natural skincare trends in 2024 point to its efficacy in reducing pore size by physical exfoliation. This is what is also great about pumice. It allows better penetration of the other ingredients. And absorption-wise, minerals like those in pumice can influence skin hydration, and trace elements may enter the bloodstream, supporting electrolyte balance for general health. Then yerba mate leaf extract adds a repairing boost. Its polyphenols align with 2020 to 2025 research on antioxidants in skincare, promoting renewal and aiding in metabolic health. Now let's move on to the organic oils that make this exfoliator nourishing and also smell amazing. You're going to love the smell of this product. We have organic sweet orange, blood orange, bergamot, vanilla fruit, and coconut. Sweet and blood orange oils are rich in vitamin C. A 2022 study on combined essential oils, including blood orange, showed improved skin barrier function, increased hydration, and reduced sebum. For skin, they reduce wrinkles and promote glow by fighting free radicals. Now, I want you to know absorption is key here. 2020 FDA studies confirm essential oil compounds enter the bloodstream via your skin, and once absorbed, citrus oils, limonene, and flavonoids support immune health and reduce inflammation as per 2023 reviews on topical antioxidants. And this could benefit your overall wellness, like improved circulation as well as mood enhancement. Organic bergamot oil offers similar perks. Recent 2024 trends in organic skincare highlight its calming effects, reducing skin issues like acne. It absorbs to provide antimicrobial benefits systemically, potentially aiding digestive health based on aromatherapy studies. And next we have one of my favorites, organic vanilla fruit oil. It adds a sensual smoothness. I love the smell of this product, and I'm confident you will too. 2020 to 2025 research on vanilla extracts notes vanillin's antioxidant properties, promoting skin renewal. Once absorbed, it can contribute to stress reduction and anti-aging effects in the body, aligning with plant-based health trends. Organic coconut oil is a star for moisture. We have it in many of our products. You've heard me talk about it before. A 2023 study found it enhances vitamin D absorption when used topically in formulations. And for skin, it reduces dryness and signs of aging. Then lauric acid absorbs readily, entering the bloodstream to support antimicrobial defense and metabolic health, as per 2024 insights on fatty acid penetration. Lastly, we have guar plant derivatives that thicken naturally, aiding application without health risks, unlike synthetics. Research from 2020 to 2024 stresses that organic compounds like these are safer, potentially reducing chronic disease risks. And I want you to contrast this with the toxic alternatives like plastic microbeads, which have been banned in many places, but believe it or not, are still a concern. These polyethylene or polypropylene beads exfoliate, but they pollute. A 2020 review detailed worldwide bans due to environmental harm. Microbeads enter our waterways. They are unfiltered by our treatment plants. Then they absorb toxins like PCBs and PAHs, harming marine life and entering our food chain. For us consumers, exposure via our skin or ingestion, like when we eat seafood, pose risks. 2022 studies link microplastics to endocrine disruption, reduced fertility, and inflammation. Absorbed chemicals like phthalates and bisphenols can mimic hormones, increasing cancer and reproductive issues, as per 2019 to 2025 reports. And a 2025 analysis warns of bioaccumulation leading to respiratory and digestive problems. Unlike the bamboo that we use in our product, which is biodegradable, these materials persist in the environment, and data from 2022 show that consumers are choosing to steer clear of them. I'm thankful for that, due to health concerns. And there have been bans in the United States going back as far as 2015, 2018 for Canada, and EU efforts highlight dangers, emphasizing natural swaps like the pumice that we use. And even though they're bans, this is what will make you livid. Plastic microbeads and other microplastics continue to appear in some products as of this year, 2025, due to loopholes and lack of enforcement. So it is critical. It's very important for all of us to create a toxic-free and healthy home. Exfoliators, particularly scrubs, often contain chemical additives beyond plastic microbeads for preservation, fragrance, foaming, or texture. And I'd like to discuss a partial list of other frequently found ingredients based on recent analysis of cosmetics and skincare products. And I'm going to focus on those with documented links to diseases or health conditions, drawing from regulatory concerns and studies. And note that while these are common, exposure levels vary and risks can accumulate over time through skin absorption or environmental persistence. Now, as I go through this list, I want you to take note of these, and I want you to take inventory of the products that you have in your home. And if any of these ingredients are on any of your labels, I'm going to recommend you throw those products right in the trash. Remember, ditch and switch. And when you're looking for new products, hopefully you're going toxic free. If you ever see an ingredient label that your friends or loved ones are using that have any of the following ingredients, you want to help educate them. First one that you want to be careful of is parabens. You might see it as methylparaben or butylparaben on the ingredient list. Parabens are used as preservatives in many creamy or liquid exfoliators to prevent bacterial growth. They're endocrine disruptors that mimic estrogen, potentially contributing to hormonal imbalances, reproductive disorders, and increased breast cancer risk. Skin irritation and allergic reactions are also common. The next thing you're supposed to look for, I really highly recommend, are phthalates. And you might see it on your ingredient label as diethyl phthalate, and it's often listed as fragrance, right? Fragrance sounds so innocuous. I'll get back to that in just a bit. It's added for scent or to soften textures in scented scrubs. These are hormone disruptors. They're linked to reproductive toxicity, fertility issues, developmental disorders in children, as well as testicular and breast cancer. And they can cause skin rashes and respiratory problems as well. Next, you're going to want to look for formaldehyde or formaldehyde releasers like quaternium-15, DMDM, hydantoin. These are preservatives in some exfoliating formulas, and the only reason they're in there is to extend the shelf life, to increase the profitability of the companies that are using them. They're known carcinogens, and they're associated with leukemia, nasopharyngeal cancer, and other malignancies, and they also trigger skin allergies, dermatitis, and respiratory issues like asthma, and it can even also lead to headaches and dizziness. Next, this is a common one you're going to want to look out for. You might even have this in your toothpaste and shampoo and soaps. Sulfates. You might see it as sodium lauryl sulfate or sodium laureth sulfate or SLS or SLES, respectively. These are foaming agents in gel-based or sudsy exfoliators. They strip skin barriers, causing dryness, irritation, and eczema, and they are potentially contaminated with 1,4-dioxin, which is a known carcinogen. And so it links these products that have these ingredients to cancer risks, including liver and kidney damage. Next, you want to look for triclosan as well as triclocarbon. These are antibacterial agents, sometimes added to medicated or acne-focused exfoliators, endocrine disruptors that promote antibiotic resistance and are linked to thyroid dysfunction, hormonal imbalances, skin inflammation, contact dermatitis, and potential contributions to cancer. Next, look for synthetic fragrances, and here's how they're listed on your ingredient label. Again, sounds so innocuous. Parfum or fragrance. They're common in scented body and face scrubs for appeal. They can contain undisclosed allergens and phthalates, leading to allergic reactions, migraines, asthma, and hormone disruption with links to reproductive disorders. The next ones you're going to want to look for are DEA, MEA, and TEA. They're emulsifiers and creamy exfoliators. They've been shown to contribute to liver, kidney, and bladder cancers. They also cause skin irritation and allergies. And then lastly for tonight, I want you to look for mineral oil or petrolatum. They're all petroleum derived, and they're often contaminated with PAHs, linking them to skin cancer, irritation, and then really broader carcinogenic or cancer-causing effects. Opting for toxic-free alternatives like those in our bamboo exfoliator will help mitigate these risks. And in summary, the bamboo exfoliator leverages organic and toxic-free ingredients backed by recent research for skin radiance and health boosts via safe absorption, far superior to toxic plastics, as well as other toxic ingredients that endanger consumers and our ecosystem. Choosing this supports your well-being and the planet, and I know you're going to love how well this smells and functions. And at the time of this recording, I've asked my team to place our bamboo exfoliator on sale. So I'd love for you to get back to the person who shared this overview with you. They'll provide their Essanté Organics website link where you can get this or any of our products at the wholesale price. But if you act quickly by going to their on sale now section, you can get our bamboo exfoliator for less than wholesale because it's on sale. So thanks for your time today. I look forward to helping you create a toxic-free and healthy home. Good night, everybody.